Honey, is she home? Who? Ellie. Oh, are you home? Ellie? Did she fall asleep? I think so. We should let her sleep. But she hasn't had her lunch yet. That's not a problem. We should let her sleep. Let's not wake her up. She might ask for food at times, but will surely like to have some sleepers every time. I made a favorite dish. How do I eat it alone? Use your hands. You never know you could successfully eat a piece of it. Oh, like I never knew? How did that happen? How did that? Or am I just overreacting because I already knew this was gonna happen? Or am I reacting naturally or what? What? Did you hear that? Yeah, I did. OMG, did I scream so loudly out of my senses that I caught attention when I... जिंदगी में सबसे बड़ी पनौती कौन सी हो सकती है? I wanted to be alone. सारी पनौती साइड में रखो. जो पनौती तुम्हारे नाम में लगती है और उसे तुम सारी ज़िंदगी लेके घूमते हो, वो सबसे बड़ी पनौती होती है और उसे तुम बदल भी नहीं सकते. इन माई रूम, जैसे कि और एट माई होम और इन... फ़र्ज़ करो तुम्हारा नाम किसी ने प्याजा दिल रख दिया क्योंकि तुमने प्याज काटे. दिस एंटायर फकिंग वर्ल्ड. एनीथिंग रॉन्ग स्वीट हार्ट? डू यू बिलीव शी इज... पर उसे पनौती कैसे लग सकती है? अब्रप्टली. या मान लो तुम कहीं बाहर खाने के लिए जा रहे हो. चलो मान लिया. आई डू. देन व्हाई आर यू आस्किंग सच क्वेश्चंस हनी? दैट इज बी एनीवन्स फर्स्ट रिएक्शन आफ्टर हियरिंग. मैं आपकी क्या सेवा कर सकता हूँ सर? Some abrupt noises, you can't control them and consciously say something else. 4 लोगों के लिए एक टेबल चाहिए. But it is obvious that something... बिल्कुल सर. आपका नाम has to be wrong. Elliot. You mean you forcefully want something to be wrong? I-D-I-O. Wrong. I never want anything to be wrong, but again, that will be the first reason for abrupt noises. God, please save Lass. Please protect her. Jesus. हेलो, क्या टाइप कर रहे हो? इडियट ना. एलियट है, इडियट नहीं. ओ माफ़ कीजिएगा सर. हनी, कैन यू प्लीज टेल... ठीक है, तो इडियट मेरा मतलब एलियट. आप जा सकते हो. व्हाट्स रॉन्ग? एली, कहीं तुम वो रिसेप्शनिस्ट तो नहीं हो जो दोबारा आ गए मेरी बेइज्जती करने मास्क लगा कर? हे सीटा. हे, कभी आप कहीं से बाहर निकले हो एकदम गुस्से में? एवरीथिंग ओके? या आई एम गुड. हाँ बिल्कुल, जैसे कि... नॉट यू. देन किन? भूमंडलीय तापक्रम वृद्धि का एक उदाहरण देना बच्चों. ओ यस, समथिंग सर हैपेंड यस्टरडे. यस, समथिंग हैपेंड. ये शी इज गुड. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकती हूँ? हैजंट रिकवर्ड completely though, but I managed to help her a bit. That's good. Hey bitches. How did you call her a bitch? How? Well, now she got to know. माफ़ करना सर, देरी हो गई. The word, she'll be able to use it in future. But I already knew the word. That's great. Absolutely. Girls partying without me? Where's my... हाँ बताओ, उदाहरण दो. My girl. I was surrounded by bitches from all 3 sides. ऑटम क्लास में आ रही है, स्प्रिंग के महीने में. Who am I? A Hollywood superstar? Nope. और ये सुनकर सब हंसने लग गए. Great student. My girl. What has happened to you? I was surrounded by seniors from all 3 sides. और वो भी देर से. So you were triangled. निकल लो ऑटम, वरना तुम्हारी गर्मी से हम सब मर जाएंगे. Yeah, but now I am segmented. We will redefine mathematics in the weirdest way ever. I'll help you. Divided by skulls, multiplied by brains. Let's join them. Let's go. Hey Kin. Hi. Hello. पर तुम तुरंत तो नहीं निकले? Yes. Are you okay? Yes. Why? You didn't study? I did. Sure. May I know why am I questioned? We aren't getting those early morning vibes from you. The atmosphere around suddenly feels negative. मैं निकली पर क्लास के बीच में नहीं, वरना वो जोक रियल हो जाता। डन विथ स्टेयरिंग? तो कब निकली फिर तुम? वेयर वॉज आई स्टेयरिंग? स्टेयरिंग एट द फ्लोर। क्लास के बाद गुस्से में सीधे घर। सूरज की किरणें कुछ अलग ही प्रकार से हिट कर रही थी उस दिन। नॉट स्पेसिफिकली द फ्लो। यू अगर मैं तुमको अभी जाने के लिए कहूँ तो बुरा तो नहीं मानोगी? स्टेयरिंग एट द कॉकरोच। कॉकरोच? What has happened to her? पर क्यों? The girl who used to run first and stare later at the cockroach. क्योंकि बाहर बारिश हो रही है. Behind the wall, stared first and ran later just because we told her that she was staring at a cockroach. ये तुम्हारी चिंता है कि मैं भीग जाऊंगी या मेरे नाम की चिता जला रही हो? I told her. ये दोनों. Okay, you told her. Hey Stella, who is he calling? Hey, you calling me? Who else is Stella? At least I'm not. What nonsense, don't lie. I'm not lying. And why will I? Because there is a long story behind Stella. And what is that? You wanna hear? Nope, not at all interested. Okay Stella. ठंड में मिलना गर्मी अलग किस्म की लगेगी तब. Stop calling me by that name. Here's a story or change your name. Choice is yours. What a ridiculous demand. You can't forcefully demand anything out of the world. You get that? Well, I can. Oi, Elliot. Who gave you the right? Seniority? What? Seniors can demand any fucking shit from the juniors. Mind your language, and if you are a shit eater, please ask the boys. They'll help you at their fullest. Night outs every fucking. कैसा था? Day, parties, clubs, drugs. That's you, Stella, right? Your club name? Mister? I honestly think something wrong has happened to you. Someone has in your language fucking fooled you. It's not you? Nope. Oh, sorry. I've never tasted alcohol. I said drugs. Kind of a drug. Alcohol. Yeah, right. Okay then. When? I mean, I'm leaving. Oh, see you. I didn't hear or she didn't reply. Well, I have to admit it. Girls are the best at ignoring. They won't allow any trespasser in their comfort zone. We'll have to work hard on her. And the worst, हॉल के अंदर जो तूने वक्त गुजारा वो कैसा था? Happens when they do their best. This is really scary. The way he's showing that he got ignored. Wait and Nora then. Oh, काफ़ी अच्छा. वो impress हो गई. Next to get trapped in Mr. and Con's trap. Couldn't recover from 2 nightmares. The third one is already here. और क्या दिखाया तूने उसको अपनी स्किल्स को छोड़कर? कम्युनिकेशन वाली स्किल्स. Is it that I'll come across such horrible? और किस टाइप की धज्जियाँ उड़वा के आया उससे अपनी भाषा के अलावा जो तूने उसके सामने बोली होगी? Glimpses all around the day, all around the streets. Should I be at home? Or what should I do? 3 already. How many? अरे बाकी लोग कहाँ पे? More to come. Why does it look like I've seen this kid somewhere? He's my classmate. Hey, one of Gray's goons. Hello. Oh yes. Oh yes. What? Nothing. Can you tell me where I know might be? Smart question. He's asking me to assume so that he can make me think and is not expecting a direct no in reply. Smart kid. But why is he asking for I know? What does he want her for? I'm waiting. Go left, left, right, straight, a U-turn. 57.68% you will find I know there. And what about the rest? I don't know about the rest. Crazy. Of course. How can I tell you where are the other kids? I'm talking about the rest 43.32%. Weak in maths, but well, I'll ignore that. You should have stayed at home if you wanted to talk with yourself. Streets aren't the best supported places to try this. Lol, I can't control a brain. So the rest 43.32% goes to a brain. Okay, cool. Thanks. I hope the rest 43.32